This is how we calculate the charge based on exactly when a partner takes out cash.
All right, picture this scenario. That's a classic. What if a partner withdraws money at the exact beginning of every single month? Say $5,000 on April 1st, then May 1st, right through to March 1st. Are you seriously going to calculate the interest 12 separate times? No way, that would take forever. We need a standardized shortcut.
Enter the master formula, the average time period. Instead of 12 messy calculations, you just do one. Here's how it works. You take the total months left in the year after the very first drawing, add the months left after the last drawing, and divide by 2. Super simple. So, for our monthly example, after the first drawing on April 1st, you have 12 months left. After the last drawing on March 1st, there's 1 month left. 12 plus 1 is 13, divide that by 2, boom, 6.5 months. Apply your interest rate to the total amount withdrawn for 6.5 months, and you're totally done.
That one formula is literally the key to every standard scenario. Whether a partner withdraws monthly, quarterly, or half-yearly, at the beginning, middle, or end, all of it follows that exact same logic. But hey, quick pro tip for you. If a problem gives you a total drawing amount but conveniently forgets to mention the date they took the money, always default to the middle calculation, which is exactly 6 months.
But what if the partner is just completely unpredictable? They're withdrawing random amounts on totally random dates. That is when we pull out the product method. Step 1. Figure out the time remaining for each specific drawing. Step 2. Multiply the drawing amount by those remaining months to get a product. Step 3. Add up all those products and hit it with the formula. Sum of products times the interest rate times 1/12. It might sound messy at first, but breaking it down visually turns complex math into a super straightforward process.
Section 4, Interest on Capital. Let's talk about the partner's return on investment.
Now, instead of charging the partners, we're looking at how they earn a return on the cash they've invested into the firm. And watch out, because here is a massive trap. What happens if the firm's available profit is actually less than the required interest on capital? Imagine partner A is legally owed $16,000, and partner B is owed $8,000. That's $24,000 total. But the firm only made $15,000 in profit. The profit pie literally isn't big enough to give them what they were promised. What do you do?
The fix here is strictly mathematical. The rule says you have to distribute that limited profit strictly in the ratio of their appropriations, not their standard profit-sharing ratio. So, for our $16,000 and $8,000 example, the ratio of what they're actually owed is 2-to-1. You take that limited $15,000 pie and just mathematically shrink the slices proportionally. Partner A gets $10,000, partner B gets $5,000. Everyone shares the shortfall fairly.
Section 5. Commissions. Specifically, manager versus partner commissions.
You really need to note